In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the DiNapoli MACD and Stoch Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the indicator added to your chart and ready to use, even if you're brand new to TradingView. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. What matters is that you can see the full chart area. Along the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar. Look for the Indicators button, usually near the middle of the top bar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the Indicators and Strategies panel. Once the panel is open, you'll see a search bar at the very top of that window. This search bar is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click inside the search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, in that search bar, carefully type DiNapoli MACD and Stoch. Typing it accurately helps TradingView pull up the exact script you're looking for. As you type, suggestions will appear below. Look through the results and find the one labeled DiNapoli MACD and Stoch. When you see it, click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added to your chart, usually in a separate panel underneath your price candles. With the indicator now visible, it's time to adjust it to your preferences. Move your cursor over the indicator panel, and in the top left corner of that panel you'll see its name, along with a small gear icon for settings. Click on the gear icon to open the settings window. Here you can fine-tune inputs like lengths, smoothing or colors, depending on how the script is set up. If you're just starting out, you can keep the default settings for now. They're usually optimized by the creator. You can always come back later and experiment as you get more comfortable reading the signals. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK or close the window, and your adjusted DiNapoli MACD and Stoch indicator is ready to use. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you'd like to unlock more features and a smoother experience, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll be able to save layouts, add more indicators, and really make the most of this setup. And that's it. You've successfully added the DiNapoli MACD and Stoch indicator to your TradingView Pro chart.